with Mr. Abhishek. Are you there with us?
Yes, sir.
Abhishek, you are from which state?
Sir, I'm from Uttar Pradesh.
Uttar Pradesh. And what are you?
I'm sorry, sir. I did not get the question.
What are you का मतलब क्या पढ़ा है? What have you studied?
Oh, sorry, sir. I have done BCom.
Good. BCom.
Yes, sir.
What do you understand by stagflation?
Sir, stagflation is a situation when the prices of goods and commodities are very, very high, and at the same time, the GDP of the nation is declining. The employment and other things are declining.
Is this the full definition or कुछ add कर सकते हैं?
Sir, I only know this much.
Let me see. Let me see what our Google uncle is telling. Anybody else? Do you want to say any other point for this stagflation?
Sir, it is a combination of inflation plus recession.
What is happening during stagflation? Stagflation is a condition in which a slow economic growth, that is stagnation, or rising prices, and this point you have omitted, a rising unemployment. Boys, girls, remember कर दीजिए, ये तीनों point को बोलना है. Slow economic growth, that is stagnation, rising prices, inflation, and rising unemployment also. उसका साथ में unemployment भी बढ़ जाता है. ये problem है. And what is stagflation versus a recession? What is stagflation versus recession? Difference क्या है? Somebody said both are same. ऐसा नहीं है. What is the primary difference between recession and stagflation? Is economic growth. A recession often indicates that an economy is shrinking or contracting and inflation rates are low. An economy in stagflation is similar to recession, but with a prolonged high inflation. समझ गया?
Yes,
could
sir.
you follow? Abhishek, could you follow?
Yes, sir.
What do you understand by proprietorship concern?
Sorry, sir, I don't know.
Why? It's a very basic question. Commerce, आपने तो commerce पढ़ा है. Commerce में
Sir,
तो
actually, I did my graduation in 2013, and it has been approximately 10 years.
You are doing what now?
Sir, I was in a business I had a transport business, but during the COVID, my business could not survive, and after that, since then I'm preparing for the banking examinations.
You belong to OBC?
No, sir, I am from general category, EWS, sir.
तब तो ये तो final attempt है आपका?
Yes, sir.
उम्र कितना? 29 or 30?
Sir, 28.
Oh God, thank God. Thank God, 28. So the question is very simple. Proprietor ka matlab, the business is owned by only one person. He is called as proprietor. And
Okay,
where the owner is a lady, it is called proprietrix. तब तो आपको कॉमर्स ज्यादा नहीं जानते हैं?
Yes, sir. Exactly.
क्यों नहीं पढ़ा है? I have given you the material. उधर में कॉमर्स क्वेश्चंस भी दिया हुआ है. उसका अंदर में जो दिया है एटलीस्ट वो सबको पढ़ना पड़ेगा जी.
Yes, sir. मैं अभी पढ़ रहा हूँ सब जो आपने दिया है. I am studying, sir.
1 minute, one drive. So you will be studying in due course, no problem. I will ask next time. आपसे पूछेंगे. Yeah, very nice.
Sure,
Thank
sure.
you. Thank you, Abhishek. We will go
Thank you,
to
sir.
Anjali. Anjali. Anjali, Anjali, Pushpanjali. Anjali. Anjali is not there. Anjali's phone will not work. Internet will not work properly. That is a problem. Yeah. Same thing with, I think, Nikila also. Nikila's internet also most of the time Kharab. Nikila ji, where are you?
Sir, good evening, sir.
Good
Am I
evening.
audible?
Yeah, audible. Oh, fine. Today it is good. Nikila,
Yes,
how are
sir.
you? How are you? You are from which state? I'm forgetting. Please tell me.
I'm from Tamil Nadu, sir.
ஓஹோ தமிழ்நாடு நீ தான் என்ன ஊரு சொன்ன வேலூரோ ஏதோ சொன்னேல்ல
இல்ல சார் மயிலாடுதுறை.
கரெக்ட் கரெக்ட் மயிலாடுதுறை ஏமா நேத்திலிருந்து இப்ப வந்ததுக்குள்ள என்னம்மா படிச்ச
சார் நான் வந்து பேங்கிங் அவேர்னஸ் படிச்சேன். ஃபினான்ஷியல் இன்க்ளூஷன் லைக் பேசிக்கா உள்ள எல்லாமே படிச்சிருக்கேன் சார்.
Excellent. Please tell me, what do you understand by financial inclusion?
Financial inclusion is basically introduced in the vision of a banking to everyone. It gives universal access to wide range of financial services at a reasonable cost.
Good. Can you tell me what are the schemes by which government is trying to achieve this?
There are many schemes like a Stand Up India scheme, PM Mudra scheme, Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana, PM Suraksha Bima Yojana, and Jeevan Jyoti Yojana and Atal Pension Yojana, sir.
Very nice. Can you please elaborate on Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana?
Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana was introduced in the year August 15, 2014, and implemented in the year August 15, 2015. Its vision is to give universal banking to all. It provides accidental cover up to 2 lakhs and life insurance cover up to 30,000 and insurance cover up to 30,000 and it gives overdraft facility of up to 10,000 after opening an account of 6 months.
No, the insurance cover is 30,000 something you said. I'm not very sure.
Life insurance covered is 30,000, sir.
Is it so? I'm not sure about it. Please check it up. Let us test here. 1 minute. India. Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana details. I'm just searching it. Maybe what I get also may not be fully correct. Fir bhi, let me try to get this. What are the details of Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana? Here, what I see, I'm telling you, special benefits attached to the scheme are interest on deposits, accidental insurance cover. How much rupees?
2 lakhs, sir.
Now it has become 2 lakh. Earlier it was 1 lakh or so. Is it so? Because I find here it is given as 1 lakh. Has it been revised to 2 lakhs? I don't think so. I don't think so. Because here the point told by you is given very clearly. Life insurance cover of rupees 30,000 is there. Good. I appreciate you for giving this point. No minimum balance required. Easy transfer of money across India. Beneficiaries of government schemes will get direct benefit transfer. After satisfactory operation 6 months, overdraft, how much overdraft is allowed?
10,000.
Very good. Access to pension insurance products, accidental insurance cover, RuPay debit card may be used at least once in 45 days. Overdraft facility now 10,000, but here in this page they have not revised. It is given as 5,000. Maybe accidental insurance also has been revised to 2 lakhs. I don't know. Maybe Any other student, can you confirm about accidental insurance is 2 lakh?
Sir, actually, account opened after 28 August 2018. It is 2 lakh, and before that, it is 1 lakh.
Very good. Who told this?
Sir, Rashmi.
Rashmi. Very good. Thank you, Rashmi. Uttar Pradesh ka Rashmi. Correct. Thank you, Uttar Pradesh Rashmi. Now I will ask one more question to our friend Nikhila. Nikhila.
Yes, sir.
Nikhila. Please
Yes, sir.
tell me something about Sukanya Samriddhi Deposit Scheme.
Sukanya Samriddhi Deposit Scheme is for children. The account is opened from the birth year of a girl child. It's for only girl child. The interest rate is 7%, sir.
Wrong. 7.6.
Okay.
7.6. But
Okay,
this alone will not do. You may have to tell me some more details. So whenever they ask any accounts, you will have to tell the important features of that. For example, tell me, Sukanya Samriddhi, some more points.
Sir, I'm not aware of that, sir.
So anybody else can tell me about Sukanya Samriddhi?
Yes, sir. It is for the girl child up to the age of 10 years old. The minimum deposit is 250 rupees and maximum deposit is 1,50,000 per year. And this scheme is under the initiative Beti Bachao Beti Padhao, sir.
Super.
And the rate is 7.6%. Yeah.
Correct. And there are some more points also, a very difficult one. Like for example, it's eligible for only 2 children, two girl children, not for 3. Ek ghar mein, if there are, say, for 2 girl children only, and it is also one peculiarity. Supposing the first child is a girl, second you are having twins. Usme kuch something they have mentioned. Anybody knows details about that? So I think all the 3 are eligible in that case. I think so, something like that. Maybe, but not that much detail is required for us. But simply you must be able to tell 10 years, 250, 1,50,000. Yeah.
Sir, can I add maturity period?
Yeah, maturity period when I think on 18 years or 21
21 years. 21 years, sir.
21, something like that. Very good. Thank you, Nikhila.
Yes, sir.
Nikhila, good. Confidence was very good, but you have to read all. Now, next time when I meet, I will ask you some details about Atal Pension Yojana. Tell me something. Tell me something about Pradhan Mantri Jeevan Jyoti Bima Yojana, Suraksha Bima Yojana. Then likewise, each and everything, what is priority sector, like that, everything you must be preparing yourself very well. Thank you. That was
thank you, sir.
That was Nikhila. After Nikhila, Om, Mr. Om.
Yes, sir. Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Om is from which state?
Bihar.
Bihar ka Om.
Yes, sir.
Om. What is the meaning of the word Om?
Sir, it means the starting and ending, both.
What is your degree?
Sir, I am English honors. I asked yesterday.
Yeah, no. The problem is, for me, it is difficult to find questions to ask you in English. Of course, I will ask something relating to banking. Please tell me how many RRBs are there in our country
43.
now? Good. What is an RRB? Elaborate.
Sir, it is mainly for agriculture sector and small and marginal farmers.
But instead, you can also tell that it is being sponsored by a bank which contributes 35% capital.
Sir, RRB is sponsored by NABARD.
No. RRBs are sponsored by banks, commercial banks. It is supervised by NABARD.
Oh, okay, sir.
and 50% capital is put up by central
Central,
government.
35
15%
state.
capital is sponsored by our state government. Like that,
35
you should tell. But there are some revision for that capital that is happening that has not come through yet. Doesn't matter.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. SBI PO you have applied. Why did you not apply for RRB?
Sir, I actually applied but could not clear 3 by 1 marks.
Oh, 1 by 3 marks or 3 by 1 mark?
1 mark, sir.
By 1 mark. Oh God. Very sad. Maybe the number of vacancies would have been less.
Less, sir. Yes, sir.
That is why you didn't get it. Doesn't matter. And you who have studied English.
Yes,
So
sir.
we would request you to talk on the future of banking in India after
Okay, sir.
10 years. What do you
Sir,
think
I think,
will
yes,
be
sir.
the future of India? Talk
Sir, I
about
think,
Mm.
I think, sir, neo banks are the future of banking in India.
Mm.
We are going to completely paperless.
Mm.
Yes, sir.
But your answer is wrong. It cannot be. Even in developed countries like America, Canada, Britain, and all that, even now we have these brick and mortar banks are there. And the say online systems are also there. But one thing, I'm not sure, I don't have that statistics. In my view,
Yes.
the probably in India we are using more of digital. That is because the population is quite high. Population is quite high, and of course, the maximum digitalization or digital transactions are done by Chinese, and next is ours. And developed countries also, they don't use this much of say digitalization. You know, in Canada and all, I have bank accounts, and
Yes, sir.
there is no question of any OTP and all. By sitting here with this phone, I can do any transactions I want. But at the same time, it is very risky. If this phone is lost, the money is lost, because anybody can use, because
Yes, sir.
everything, even the password is given there for our convenience, and that gives us a lot of problem. Whereas India, we have a concept known as OTP.
Yes, sir.
What is OTP?
One-time password.
What is PAN card?
Sir, postal area network.
Hmm?
Sorry, sir, I do not know.
What is PAN card? They will insist on you are giving this PAN card in the banks. Why?
Yes, sir. If the transaction is above 50,000, then we have to use PAN card.
What is PAN card?
Sorry, sir.
Permanent account number.
Okay, sir.
How many digits are there in permanent account number?
Sir, I think PAN is alphanumeric.
Correct. Good. 10 digits. Very good. When did you
Yes, sir.
get your permanent account number?
Sir, this year.
Now only. Acha.
Yes, sir.
What about your Aadhaar card? How many digits are there?
Sir, Aadhaar card 12 digits, sir.
Good. During the 2 years of lockdown,
Yes, sir.
what were you doing?
Sir, actually, sir, I have ACL surgery. So, sir, for the first year, I mainly do, sir, rehab. After that, I started preparing for banking examination.
What did you say? First year, what did you do? Rehab.
Sir, I have ACL surgery.
Which surgery?
ACL.
Matlab?
Sir, anterior crucial ligament. It is in behind knee.
Acha, acha. Ligament. Ore Baba,
Yes, sir.
it's a nuisance. It's a pain. It's a pain. Pain is caused very much, na?
Yes, sir.
How are you now?
Sir, okay, fine.
What
But
are
still cannot trust. Yes, sir.
Are you happy about your life? What are the things you have achieved so far in your life?
Sir, what types of things?
I don't know.
Sir, whether it is academic or
See, obviously, as a person who has not been working, you will have to tell only about academic. If you have been working, then you can
Yes,
tell
sir.
about some achievements you made, though it has failed subsequently due to COVID.
Sir, I have completed graduation in 2021, so I do not
अच्छा
get much time.
अच्छा अच्छा 21 ओनली अच्छा
Yes, sir.
सो उसका अंदर में क्या क्या किया है कॉलेज में क्या अच्छा चीज किया है आपने
Sir, I think half of my college, sir, ruined by COVID.
I think after all of you joining bank also you should be asked to go to colleges again for next 2 years. Those who have had COVID degree. What is your comment on this?
Sir, I think, sir, it is not good since we can do online classes, so it is not necessary.
Good, very good. I'm happy you told nicely. Now, can you tell me one moment you are regretting?
What, sir?
One moment you regret something about which you are feeling bad. हम तो ये नहीं करना था, हम क्यों
Yes,
किया?
sir. Sir, I know. Sir, actually, sir, during the initial day of COVID, sir, I do not get out from my, sir, home. But, sir, one day I just went out for something and I got accident. So that is my regret.
Accident with scooter or car or bus?
Sir, it is tempo.
Tempo. Oh.
Yes, sir.
How long you were bedridden?
Sir, 1 month, sir.
Any compensation anybody paid for that or what was
No,
the?
sir. No, sir.
No, because you have not taken any insurance also.
No, sir.
पिताजी क्या काम करते हैं?
Sir, he is a teacher.
Teacher, good, very good. No problem. So now one more question. Can you tell me what is the role of RBI?
Its role is mainly of supervising the bank. Look for the smooth functioning of the bank.
Then only one.
And sir, for monetary policy.
Then क्या क्या काम करते हैं RBI में?
Sir,
but this question is more or less same, you know. They can
Yes,
ask
sir.
you what are the functions of RBI. Then also you are going to tell the same thing. What is the role of RBI? Then also
Yes, sir.
you are going to tell the same thing. Tell me.
Sir, first they supervise the bank, look out for the proper functioning, and they make monetary policy to control inflation.
Mm.
Yes, sir.
Now, can you tell me what is the meaning of contingency?
Sorry, sir, I cannot recall at this time.
Why? Contingency को भी meaning नहीं जानते हैं? That which
Sir.
may or may not happen.
What, sir?
That which may happen or may not happen. Contingency.
Sir, I cannot tell.
You cannot. No, you are an English graduate. You must tell.
Sir, is it related to banking or?
It is not related to banking, but even banking में भी हम लोग relate कर सकते हैं. Contingency reserve fund ऐसा एक fund होता है. इसका मतलब ये है कुछ होने वाला नहीं होने वाला. Contingency reserve. Not. I am asking generally as a English graduate this question. Now I will ask banking question. What is prompt corrective action?
Sir, prompt corrective. Wait, sir, wait. Sir, I cannot recall. Sir,
Can
it is mostly about the proper functioning of bank if they are not doing so good.
anybody else can answer this?
Yes, sir. Prompt corrective action is the action taken by Reserve Bank of India to understand the performance of a bank if the bank is working sound and safe.
और भी अच्छा बोल सकते हैं.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Under prompt corrective actions, there are some measures like NPA ratio, return on asset ratio, and one more thing was there. Capital adequacy ratio.
I think I have posted a video on that.
Yes, sir. I read
I
that.
posted a video also on that. उसको देख लीजिए, right? Prompt corrective action. Good. Can you name one or two banks which were under prompt corrective action?
Sir, there is no bank right now, but earlier it is Central Bank of India.
Very good. Thank you. Thank you so much. I think it is
Thank you, sir.
already nearing time for my lunch. Thank you so much. So some people I have not talked. Sudipta Baumika, Rashmi, then I think these people I have not talked, na? Yeah.
Me too, sir. Pranay.
Pranay
Yes,
also.
sir.
One.
Oh, Pranay also. Pranay,
Yes, sir.
can you name the Union Agriculture Minister?
Narendra Singh Tomar.
Good. He is from which state?
He is from.
No problem.
Sir, I don't. I don't remember. Sir.
You are from which state?
Bihar, sir.
Who is your governor?
Rajendra Arklekar.
How many districts are there?
38, sir.
Very good. Today, that much for you. The another
Okay.
question for Sudipta Baumik. Sudipta Baumik. Sudipta Baumik,
Yes,
are
sir.
you there?
Yes, sir. Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Sudipta, what is your degree?
Sir, MSc in mathematics.
MSc in mathematics. Which year did you complete?
Sir, 2020.
2020. Oh, very good. So, yeah. From which state you said?
Sir, West Bengal.
West Bengal. Good. What is your experience relating to convincing people or marketing of products?
Sir, as for now, during my MSc, I have organized event for Saraswati Puja. Every year, it is placed and given responsibilities to the second year student. So during the final year, I was given that responsibility, and we have to organize the sponsorship and meeting the people to uh, ask them for the convenience to sponsor um, in the event, so that we can organize it smoothly. And we have made small groups to collect the amounts, and also I have given the responsibility for the sponsor to bring the sponsorship. And as my friends are there in UP, as I am first of all, I mentioned that I have done from Banaras Hindu University. So the local people, local means my friends who are already from UP, they helped me to bring the sponsorship.
Good.
And
thank you.
yes.
Thank you. Thank you. Now, Rashmi,
Yes, sir.
what is digital banking?
Sir, digital banking is the platform where we do our transaction online. And sir, there is a system core banking solution, which is core stand for centralized online real-time exchange. Sir, in this, what RBI has done is interconnect all other banks to each other so that they can make transaction online from one bank to other bank.
Mhm. Good. Can you tell me how many payment banks are there now?
Sir, there are 6 payment banks as of now.
Acha, what is your degree?
Sir, masters in chemistry.
Acha. So what is your exposure to computer?
Sir, we have done simple cube in my bachelor's. I have done basic programming and also some computational work.
Mhm. Good. So what do you think will be the position of use of computers in our day-to-day life, say 10 years from now?
Sir, it makes our life very easy as compared to that time.
Mm.
Like, sir, we can record all our data in computers.
Mm.
So management is quite easy for us.
Mm.
And sir, various other facilities are also there. Like now we are shifting to as our technology is getting advanced. So we are shifting towards like online mode. So it is helping us to improve ourselves day by day.
Very good. I think you may not be able to answer this question. Still, I am asking. I am giving the answers in the Telegram. This question is, what is edge technology, EDGE technology, and why is it important?
Sorry, sir, I have no idea.
This is something to do with edge computing and also edge technology. Kindly go through this. I have given the link to you. Tomorrow we will discuss in the class at 8 o'clock. Thank you.
Thank you,
Tomorrow.
sir.
And in the meantime, if some of you would like to take the one free mock interview available for you, nearly about 25 or 30 of you have joined for State Bank of India. You can choose to take your mock interview, say during, because April 3rd is the interview date. So we have only less time. If everybody comes on 1st or 2nd, it will be difficult. So try to avail it off by sending message to me, my WhatsApp number 8072177482. And I know you are not prepared, but you have to prepare. I will give you 2 more days time. Today is 25, 26, 27. 28 से हम लोग शुरू करना ही पड़ेगा. Otherwise,
Sir,
yeah.
sir, I would like to schedule my interview on 31st March.
You want to, you're sure about the date, 31st March? What is the day for the?
Yes, sir.
What day is it?
So my interview a day.
No.
Let me check, sir.
31st is Saturday.
Friday, sir. Friday.
Friday means fine. So 7 p.m. is the class for you. Class is the interview for you. Your first 5 numbers, please.
Sir, 94600
Last 2 numbers.
130.
Thank you. I will take care of it. Please send a message confirming this in your WhatsApp.
Yes, sir. I will SMS you. I will WhatsApp you, sir.
Regarding others, you can message me in WhatsApp telling the possible date on which you want to take. I will try to arrange it. If necessary, I may prepone the class to 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock on some days also, so that I am able to complete it. Thank you so much. I enjoyed this session. I think this will be very useful. Like yesterday's interview, this also will be very, very useful because it contains different candidates, different type of questions. Best wishes. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Bye-bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Bye.